In this part, we are going to demonstrate the difference between the link, the Next.js link, and the A tag. And although both of them can link to different page, for example, if we back to the navbar.js, we can see we have the A tag, which link to the home page and the user page. And you can see this also works well if you go to the home page and also the user page. So why we may need to use the Next.js link? This is because it provides the ability to do the client-side navigations, so which means we do not need to send a HTTP request in order to get another page. So if you look at this, we can see if you click on another page, it will spend some time on loading. So let's see what happens if we change to using a link tag. So first we have to import the link from the next link. So import link from next link, and then we use the link tag to wrap the A tag, and then we cut this and paste to here, and we do the same for the users, or maybe we can see the difference. Now if you go to the user, you can see it spends some time to go to another page, but if we go to home, you can see it go to the home instantly. So this is the difference between the link and the A tag. So we do the same for the link, and we cut this and put this to the link tag, and we remove this extra link. Now we can try again, and you can see it go to another page without making any requests. So this is very high performance. So now we are going to add this link, add another link to the user card. So first we create the A tag, and we add the class name is equal to the styles dot button, and inside this we type details, and then we put the link tag to wrap this, and then we link this to the user, and then we pass the user.id, and now we go to the users page and we have an import the link tag. So we go to the user card and paste here. And we also need to go to the style and go to the card and add the button styles. So now if you go to here, you can see the details buttons. And then if you click on the details, you can see we go to the user/1, and this is the default error page. If you go to the others and click details, you can see it go to the path to the ID, which is equal to 2. And later we will go to create our own 404 page, and this is the default error page of Next.js, and we will also talk about the dynamic route.